Hey guys, what's up? Yuri here. Today I want to talk to you about a little known feature in our platform, but super powerful, the ability to restrict data for your staff accounts. So to get started, if we go into My Account Manager, and we wait for that to load, what we're going to be presented with is a series of panels which contain some information, but today we're going to focus specifically on permissions, and specifically within permissions, the staff accounts. So for those of you who don't know, staff accounts let you create secondary logins for your staff to come in and access the back-end administration area of the Zoey platform. And within the staff accounts, what we can do is actually manage permissions. So if we take a look at Jason Alpert here, and we click on the little cog icon and go to edit permissions, we'll be presented with three different options. The first one is the access level, and the access level lets you restrict or allow the specific staff account different permissions. So full access will give this person access to everything on the left-hand side here. Full access and billing will give them everything on the left-hand side plus the billing portal. And then the user management will allow them to come in and modify the permissions of users like what we're demoing here today, or add staff accounts or remove staff accounts. And then of course, this one will do everything, full access, user management, and billing. And then you've also got limited access. And limited access will actually let you limit which pages the staff account can see. So for example, you can say that this staff account can only see customers. Now we can take it a step further by restricting Jason's access to specific customer groups or specific customers themselves. If we do that, and let's say we go into customer groups, we can actually, and set it to yes, we can actually set a specific customer group. So if I only want Jason to see data that belongs to the B2B group, I can go ahead and add that. What that's going to do is if I go into orders, or if I try to create a new order, or if I export data, or if I go into customers and try to view customers, I'm only going to be able to see the ones that belong to the B2B group. We can take it even a step further if we set this to no and set specific customer data to yes. We can now look for specific customers within the system. For example, we'll search for Carlos, which will give us three results. We'll be able to click add, and we'll be able to click I'm done. And now Jason can only see data that belongs to Carlos. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to limit your staff accounts to only view specific data, this is the way to do it. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you at one of our next videos.